Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to learn Looker Studio from scratch, the full step-by-step guide for 2026. If you've never used Looker Studio before and want to build dashboards, reports, and visualizations confidently, this is the perfect place to start. So yeah, let's break it down simply. First, understand what Looker Studio actually does. It's a free Google tool that turns raw data into visual reports and dashboards. Instead of staring at spreadsheets, you get charts, tables, and filters that make data easy to understand. You don't need coding skills, just basic data awareness. Start by signing into Looker Studio using your Google account. On the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank canvas. At first, it might feel a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, you'll learn it step by step. Next, learn how data sources work. Click Add Data and connect something simple, like Google Sheets. This is the easiest way to practice. Once your data is connected, Looker Studio automatically recognizes columns and fields for you. Now focus on charts. Add a table, bar chart, or scorecard. These are the basics you should master first. Play around with dimensions and metrics in the right side panel and watch how the chart updates instantly. Experimenting here is honestly the best way to learn. After that, practice layout and design. Resize charts, align them neatly, and add text boxes for titles. A clean layout matters just as much as the data itself. Then move on to filters and date controls, which let users interact with your report. These features make your dashboards way more powerful. Once you're comfortable, practice rebuilding the same dashboard again from scratch. This helps everything stick. Also, explore templates for inspiration, but don't rely on them too much early on. Finally, preview your report and share it with view-only access. Seeing how others interact with your dashboard helps you improve fast. So yeah, that's how to learn Looker Studio from scratch in 2026. Start simple, practice often, and focus on the basics before moving to advanced features. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.